Hi guys, back for another quick vid. Hope everyone's doing well. Okay, so you would have seen in the last video I've put this together. I'm going to put the chassis on today. So that should fit on there like that. Slide that over and then we'll do it up. Got 4 bolts somewhere. These are my stainless steel bolts. It's only 4 bolts you put on there. Yesterday I went and picked up my kill switch. Now I've been using this one, it's the Micro 1T for I think 4 or 5 years now, probably 4 years, and I've used this one in all my cars, never had one issue with it. It's fantastic, plug and play, easy to put on your engine, no problems at all. Now Tarn from Electronics makes this, and I've known Tarn for about 4 to 5 years now, and he's only about half an hour away from me, so I go and pick it up personally with him. He's a great guy, and thanks Tarn, shout out for all your great products, mate. So check out Electronics at www.electronics.com.au. There's many RC companies that sell his products. So guys, go and check out electronics.com.au, and they'll hook you up. They got all the best kill switches, batteries, servos, you name it. Let me have a look on here. So that's the website. There's all your servos. Right, Killer 2 switch. Check them out, guys. Great products, eh? What else have I got to do here? So I've put the 4 bolts in, Loctite them to the chassis, and now I'll put the engine in, make sure it all fits up properly. Okay, I've run into a bit of an issue here, because you've got this hole here that lines up to put the bolt through. It actually doesn't line up. The hole's too far this side, because the coil is actually hitting the chassis, so it can't turn all the way, so it's straight. So I'm going to have to shave this chassis back a bit so it can fit in to line up. That's a bit of a shame. Yeah, because I can't turn it all the way because it's hitting the chassis. Alright. Hey, nothing I can't fix, eh? But probably the cause of it would be, it could be the Turtle Racing diff case. I don't have an RC Max diff case, but maybe theirs is a little bit shorter, so you can push the engine back a bit further. So it doesn't, the coil doesn't hit the chassis. But where there's a will, there's a way, guys. You can always make stuff work. Okay, I've shaved the chassis back a bit. Hopefully it'll fit in. Nice. There's the hole. There we go. Now the hole matches up all the way. Now it fits. So I've actually cut a bit too much, but it doesn't matter. Now it fits in there fine. Awesome. This is why I love doing builds, because you always run into little issues that you got to problem solve. So I love it. Makes the build more interesting. All right, what I got to do next? So the chassis is on. I've Loctite the 4 bolts. Chassis. Also, I got great news. I found some front FLM arms. I tried absolutely everywhere. So what I did was I ended up emailing FLM themselves and they got back to me, and he actually said he had a set he hadn't put on the website yet, so I've bought them, so they're on their way. Awesome. Plus I did another order to Taylor RC, so that'll be coming in about a week or so. That'll be pretty much the rest of the build. And there is one more thing I've got to get that it's not out yet, so but it's coming out soon. So so what else I got next? Next I might where is it? I can't find it. Oh, here it is. I might do the servos and the battery and the steering. Put this in because the fuel tank is coming on the next order. So I might open this up and have a look, see what's in the bag. Okay. So this is the Roven symmetrical steering. Part number ROV 85273. Let's open this up and see what's in it. It's all your hardware. Little aerial. There's your turnbuckles, which I won't be using these ones because I've got the extended FLM arms coming. I've got this on the shorty Baja. I reckon they're great. I love the symmetrical steering. What else is there? So you can get this symmetrical steering kit in plastic or alloy. It's a shame that this isn't alloy as well. I don't know if you can get that bit in alloy. I'm not quite sure. I've never seen it. Yeah, so that's the next step. Next video I'll put this together and I'll put the kill switch in. So just a quick one, guys. Hope everyone's doing great, and I'll catch you on the next vid. Alright guys, see yous. Bye.